Let me observe what we did for a while. Okay. Now, what I don't like here is the fact that we're opening. Just look at this. We placed a buy stop order here because of the big spread. The EA opened the position and then it placed a couple more right next to it. And now this level is kind of crowded with positions that we actually don't want. So there is two ways to handle this. First way is to follow position count instead of order count, which we will scratch for now. And the other way is to hmm, the other way is to introduce some kind of distance filter for placing a new order, which I want to try first. So let's go for it. Okay, we will do this as an input. Um, we will call it buffer points, which will be 100. And to make it easier, I think it's time to move all of this logic right here in a different function. So let's go for it. The function might be called execute by. Let's define that function right here. And I think that this function, yeah, it should take the swing high as a parameter. So do this. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. First, we want the ask price. Which we have now. Then we will do the stop loss. Which will be equal to the entry minus the stop loss points. We should normalize this with normalize double. Avoiding some strange bugs. Let's define the take profit now, which will be the entry plus the take profit points. Yep. Normalizing this. Later we will do dynamic lot sizing, but for now we will leave it like this. And here we should include the buffer points. So let's say that if the ask is higher than the entry minus the buffer points, we want to just return. So yeah, if the ask is higher than the entry minus those points that we defined a little bit above, this function will result in nothing. Okay, and now we should move the expiration as well, I think. Yeah, we definitely should. And if everything is okay, we will do this buy stop, which will take the lots, the entry price, which is entry, stop loss, take profit, all the time specified, put the expiration in, and I think we're done. No comments for now. Is everything okay? I think it is. Okay, let's try now. Okay, I don't see any buy stop orders. I guess we messed up something. Let's first reduce those buffer points. Let's make it like 10 points. Okay. Okay, it works. It was very crowded. Now, yeah, I like this. Yeah, that's much, much, much better. Okay. We can see now how crowded the sell side is. Let's fix that too. I'll copy this function, execute sell, double entry. We will use the bid this time. Okay. So the bid must not be lower than the entry plus the buffer points. Okay, if it is, we just return and don't place an order. The stop loss is above the entry, the take profit is below it. Normalized everything, expiration looks okay. Sell stop, lots, entry, yep, looks okay. Let's include it in the onTick function. Yeah, it looks okay. But no, the sales stop is using 100 points buffer. No, let's change it up in the code with 10 for now. Okay, let's refresh here. Let's see the result. Yep, seems to work. Okay, well, go forward.